Holding hands. I was thinking you're staying till night time here.
Oh no, she kept on getting it in her eyes.
With that I keep telling you, just relax.
I tried.
Just relax, don't move.
Much better.
Yeah.
With shoes.
Come in my mouth. Oh, feel here burning now.
Now it's done, yeah.
Game over. She threw a rock at me. Oh, this one. He's going anyway.
Yeah, I spoke with my parents and sent them some videos from the hotel. Because that's a lot. We need to go there now.
Usually 20 years ago the water was up there.
Yeah, that's what I noticed when I was to the stop. Like it was very far. And I see from the shore, the water was high and then now shore is
Yeah.
so
Going down like the Gary Meter.
and this is the lowest point, right?
In the world, yeah. 380 meters below the sea.
While Amman is
800 meters and up. Or start, East Amman is like 600 meters up.
quite interesting. I was reading in the morning it's 9 degrees, 10 degrees. Here it's crazy.
In half hour drive.
Yeah.
How long did you
Wonder.
Oh, it's the first time?
First time. First time in Jordan. Yeah. The way of driving a bit strange, but I need to get used to drive. So from Saudi Arabia to the border with Jordan, I was driving. I have company car and I'm not allowed to go to the border with company. So there is a restriction. They take you to the border
stand up.
I'm going to be
It's very deep. One second you feel so cold, one second you feel start raining.
So actually, I'm going
You go like every look. You can go to the there's one river. You have water. It's come down. One very cold, one long, one very hot.
Not far, right?
From here you can go to Madabel like 1 hour to less than 1 hour.
Is it not close to the...
No, you need to go like you go up to Amman, like between Amman and Sham. Madabel, like Jabal Nibbo. Was there long time. What? Shakir! Where is what? I have no. Oh, they're taking shower. What? Why? I don't care. Okay. Go back to Amman, leave me here. I can buy myself. Just relax. اقعد ارتاحي. اقعد ارتاحي وارخي حالك. Just relax in the water. Yeah, that is
صبايا مين؟ صبايا طب جرأوا الصبايا يعملوا هيك
It will, but it'll hurt.
طبعا ما يعرف كله تحت. ماشي. عوال فلسطينية. إن شاء الله نروح ونحررها إن شاء الله قريبا. هون المي زي الثلاجة. عندي فريزر هون. You like cold water? Come here. It's very cold here. cold? Yep. It's very cold here. Still warm and cold.
Yeah, this is online.
Because there's a lot of hot water hitting the sea. A lot of star, there's hot water here. That's why you feel cold and hot. You go take shower.
Warm here.
Second you feel warm, second you feel very cold. Yeah, take video for me. When you get up, you feel so cold. You get down, you feel warm. بشوفك بعدين ان شاء الله. Bushe, there is my phone at the stone there, taking video.
Where?
Hey, it's still taking video or stop?
Look at this one. I did to your collection. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you gonna pop your pimple and go in?
Huh?
You gonna pop your pimple and go in?
I popped in. I just put some dirt on it, so I think I'm good.
Oh, okay.
Is that good enough?
Yeah.
Hey, Mark.
I
You
thought-
looked at me like,
I thought you were gonna go in the water because if you go in the water, it's gonna hurt. Yeah, it's still taking a video.
Alright, take for me.
Close up.
Put it off and start a new one.